Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. This is the day that I have been waiting for.
You mean day 5?
Yeah, it's day 5 of Veganuary. Okay, so today we are going to attempt to make the vegan tropical pavlova from the Great British Baking Show. So we've been watching that a lot lately. We love it, and they just so happen to have had a vegan week for the first time ever last season. So we were like, so this looks really yummy. I've never made a meringue before, so I'm excited to try it. And we are following
their recipe.
I think the actual recipe from the technical challenge.
And it's made with aquafaba.
Right? We're making an eggless meringue. So this recipe was written up by Prue. It says on the thing that it requires skill. I don't know if I have skill, but we're gonna find out. So
I think you can handle it.
Also, like, all the measurements are in the metric system. Ooh. So first we're gonna start with our aquafaba. So I'm gonna pour this into the bowl.
We've got a scale here that measures in milliliters or grams or ounces or whatever you got.
Yeah. So we're just gonna use the liquid from a can of chickpeas.
Finger there so that the chickpeas don't go in.
I'm watching it. Hold on. How much do we need again? It's really hard to do this and read the recipe. We need 200.
200? What are we at?
We're at 1 something.
All right, well.
Let me go to this other can.
Yeah, go to the other can.
Ooh, 200 milliliters exactly. So we're going to pour that into the bowl. There's going to be a lot of whisking today.
Yes. This thing's going to be going for a long time.
Yeah. The first thing that we're going to be whisking that with is the cream of tartar. I've never used this before. Apparently it's for meringue.
Every time I see that, I think of tartar sauce.
Yeah, me too.
And it's totally different.
I also didn't know if it was tartar or tartar or what.
Right.
Apparently it's tartar.
Right.
We need half a tablespoon of that.
All right.
So here we go. Look, it's like a white powder.
It's a powder.
Looks good.
That's exactly what you should be doing. All right, let's take it over to the mixer.
There we go. So I just want to check and see how long. So whisk on medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until foaming.
All right.
By the way, guys, we're gonna link the recipe in the info box below if you want to try it out too.
Whoa!
It's like Beauty and the Beast and all the.
Oh my goodness.
The house stuff is attacking me. That knife just cut one of the tomatoes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So, we're gonna lock this.
Yeah.
It's pretty foamy, so now we're supposed to increase the speed to high and do that for 5 to 10 minutes to stiff peaks. So this is where the magic is supposed to happen. I'm scared.
All that sugar.
Look at that. It's working.
It is working.
Isn't it crazy that all that came from that little bit of
bean water?
Yeah, that's so crazy. So now we're adding the sugar. This is the only part of it. There's also all of that.
Call the police.
Oh my god, no wonder why they're always drooling over all this stuff.
Yeah, I know.
So we're just gonna add this a tablespoon at a time, and then we're supposed to whisk again. Is it supposed to be at high again?
I think so, yeah.
So we're gonna do that. It's gonna take a while.
Right.
It took forever to get all the sugar in there. But we're making it happen. Also, we had the oldest, craggiest, driest vanilla pod, so we can't use that.
That's not happening.
So we're gonna use just the liquid. I hope it's not gonna like
overwhelm it. Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me when. You said just a splash.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Well, it still looks pretty good, I have to say.
Yeah.
And then 1 teaspoon of the xanthan gum, and then we are almost done whisking. Whisking.
Wixing?
We're wixing here. I don't know what you guys are doing. So I'm sifting. Okay, I'm a little bit on edge right now.
All right, wix it up.
I just want Noel to like it.
I'm sure Noel will love it.
I don't care if I get a handshake. Locking, wixing for another 30 seconds.
All right.
Stiff Elmo.
Stiff
We dusted off our old piping bag.
Too bad we didn't have our stir nozzle.
Oh, I was so looking forward to having like a really pretty meringue.
I have a small star nozzle, but
it's like really small.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to use no nozzle and just like do whatever. But I'm really pleased with the consistency of this right now. We didn't do the test where you flip it upside down because Mom said she wasn't gonna clean it up if it fell out. Even though she was like, I don't think it would fall out. But it looks pretty good consistency wise. So pretty pleased with that. Let's see how this goes. So we drew our little circles on the parchment paper. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh. We'll show you guys how it looks when it's all piped out. So our piping is not amazing, and we also seem to have, oh, you know why we had extra?
Why?
Because we didn't do the edging.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, because we didn't.
Ours wasn't as thick, too, like with the star nozzle. That would have been thicker.
That's true, yeah, we didn't have the star nozzle, but honestly, it doesn't need to look like the picture.
It's going in now.
Yeah, we're putting it in the oven, 248 Fahrenheit for, it says an hour and 15.
Probably done an hour. Yeah, over an hour.
I think we should check it and see how it is at like an hour.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Oh no, what happened? Uh-oh. You know what? That's life in the trenches.
I want to be in the tent doing this.
That's life in the trenches. Some days dinner is what you make it, and it doesn't turn out right. You gotta make it into something else.
Yeah, this isn't dinner, this is dessert, and dessert is magical, and
she looks like a brat right now, doesn't she?
I don't care.
Vegan brat.
Okay, we're gonna make the coconut pastry cream now.
Alright. Make it happen.
So I got my coconut milk in here.
Which I ruined, by the way.
I wasn't gonna say anything, but yeah. We have coconut sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. So we're gonna bring that up to a boil. Then we add our corn flour or cornstarch, whatever.
I threw away a quarter of the coconut milk. I thought she only needed 3/4 of a can, so I was just like, I'll just throw it in the sink because I'm not gonna drink that. But you actually needed it for later, so.
I didn't even realize that's what you did. I thought you poured everything in here.
No.
Oh, then that's fine, because then, like you said, we'll just mix it with something else later.
Yeah.
Okay, but there's like a lot being lost in communication here.
Okay. Well, that's all right. We figured it out now.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do that and then add some other stuff to it.
All right. Hey, you need me to take over?
No, I calmed down a little
You sure?
bit.
Oh.
I had my freak out, and
I
now.
really whisked that a lot more.
Okay. This requires like 5 or 6 minutes of continuous whisking.
Until it's thick.
I'm like 2 minutes in and I want to die.
Yeah.
Oh
hey, but we're having sausage bread for dinner.
Yeah. I just don't want this pastry cream to burn.
Piers Morgan would say, no one's waiting for that.
What's wrong with him?
He's mental.
What is wrong with him? But they handled it so well. It was so funny.
Oh, yeah.
The tweets.
Yup, Greg's.
Yeah, well, there were 3, I believe. 3 different
McDonald's, Greg's, and I forget what the other one was. Was it like Domino's or something?
It might have been.
Yeah.
They're like, we've been waiting for you.
Yeah. No, we were expecting you.
Yeah.
What a jerk.
Yeah. Well, anyway, you know, now that I know that this is not going to be perfect, I've calmed down quite significantly.
Okay.
But I'll never be a star baker.
No. Can I do a little whisking? I love to whisk.
I think that's your way of telling me that this looks like crap, so
no.
sure.
No. Another thing that's going to burst your bubble?
What?
We use coconut sugar instead of white cane sugar, so it's not going to be white. It's going to be this poopy brown color.
Yeah, whatever. Who even cares anymore? Is anyone even watching this? Whoa, look at that technique. Whoa!
Yeah.
Someone's got some forearms of steel.
Not me.
Here's our poopy brown pastry cream. I just covered the top with this plastic wrap, but the trick is you want it to touch the surface of the cream so that a skin doesn't form. So we're just gonna let this cool for a bit, then it's gonna chill in the fridge, and then we still have some stuff to add to the pastry cream, like the coconut yogurt, but that's for later. And we do have the toasted, desiccated, aka shredded coconut also in here. This half is for the top. And yeah, I burnt it a little bit on the edges, but honestly, okay, the middle part, fantastic, amazing.
Yeah.
But like, real talk, I know you're not supposed to eat burnt stuff, but I did. And the burnt part is like also delicious, so I don't really care. I'm not adding the burnt part to the final product, but I'm gonna
Check
eat
in with
it.
the meringue.
Oh yeah, so here's the meringue. It's still got a bit to go in the oven because we did only set it for an hour. So it's probably gonna have another 15 minutes once that hour's up, but it's looking good. It's holding its shape. It didn't like deflate or anything, which is a good sign.
Didn't deflate a mouse?
No, so I think we're doing a pretty decent job here. Wait, let's check in first. So over here, we have the mango coulis. So that was really easy to make. It's just mango, lime juice, and what was the third thing?
Sugar. More
sugar. So now, I think that's just like a side dip. But this, we've got our pastry cream.
I kind of blew it. I didn't have enough cornstarch, so we used arrowroot. And the arrowroot is a lot more gelatinous than the cornstarch would have been.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? It still tastes
I think it's going to
amazing.
taste really good. It's just a different texture.
And it's poopy brown because we used the coconut sugar. So she needs to get
What
over
have we done? What have we done?
Hashtag beautiful.
As long as it tastes good, I don't really care.
It's gonna taste good.
Yeah, good. So we also have some fruit prepared here. We've got our coconut. We've got pineapple, blackberries, strawberries, and kiwis. Can you wait a second?
No, we're trying to beat the clock.
So for the pastry cream, after it chilled, we added in coconut yogurt, and that's it. Because we didn't have any passion fruit seeds or whatever.
We didn't want them.
Right, so now
no one wants you.
We're going to decorate with some fruit, and then we are going to put the next meringue on top, put our pastry cream there, and decorate with fruit again, and we'll check in when it's all done. Okay, today Mom is both Prue and Paul. And maybe throw in a little
baker too.
Maybe throw in a little Mary Berry as well.
Right.
It looks pretty good.
It does.
I think it looks lovely. Ooh.
The strawberries are still a little frozen.
That's okay. What do you think? What do you think?
I am massacring this. That's what I think.
It's okay. We already took pictures of it, so you can do whatever you want to it now. It is definitely decadent.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
I think the plate was a little bit hot when I put it on, and it kind of like melted the meringue a little bit underneath.
Yeah, I didn't realize that meringue is basically like a marshmallow.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh. All right, give it a taste and let us know what you think.
I want to get like
a little bit of everything. Yeah. For sure, for sure. Make sure you get the pastry cream.
How could I not?
Mike Wazowski is dead. Sully, J.P. Sullivan dead.
Alright, apparently Mike Wazowski's dead.
Sean is in a very bad mood right now. So we're just
gonna... Get some kiwi on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
With that one.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Alright, here we go. What?
Right?
Oh my god!
That's a good one.
I mean, how could it not taste incredible with all that sugar? I am really, really into it. I could see us making this for a holiday. It's definitely not like an everyday dessert. It's definitely, like they said on the show,
decadent.
Decadent. It's a special treat.
Mm-hmm.
It is amazing.
The meringue is really good.
Oh my god, I'm now officially obsessed with meringue. That is so good.
Aquafaba meringue.
Yeah. Oh.
We should make some meringue cookies.
Yeah, we should. Okay,
yeah.
Wow. So it was definitely an emotional journey. Here's the thing. Part of the reason that I was freaking out so much is just because we had a lot of other things going on behind the scenes, and it just stressed me out that we didn't have exactly what they have on the show and blah, 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 and you know how it is. But overall, I would love to make this again.
She's not a brat.
On a much calmer day. Yeah, I was a brat
no, you were.
in the moment.
You were fine.
But anyway, I hope you guys had fun watching it. I know you like when we fight, so.
Enjoy.
Oh, good. Let us know if you guys have made this before, what you think, and if you're going to try it in the future. Yay! Okay, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, much love.